Under the warm Jamaican sun, the vibrant streets of Kingston bustled with life. Among the laughter and chatter of children playing in the dust, a boy named Kenrick Carter stood out. His copper-brown skin gleamed, and his tight, fluffy afro curls danced with the gentle breeze that whispered through the palm trees. Kenrick was known for his infectious smile and unwavering determination, traits he inherited from his mother, a single parent who worked tirelessly to provide for him. Kenrick grew up in a neighborhood where dreams often faced harsh realities. His friends would gather around street corners, sharing tales of hope and ambition, but Kenrick's dreams reached out beyond the horizon. From a young age, he found himself captivated by the stories of the local police officers, brave men and women who protected their community. He admired their uniforms and badges, symbols of authority and respect, and he vowed to wear one himself one day. "Kenrick, you can be anything you want to be," his mother would say, her voice filled with encouragement. Fueled by her belief in him, he studied hard in school, putting in long hours at his books while still making time to play football with his friends. As he grew, Kenrick faced challenges. Some days were tough, and temptation lurked around every corner, but his dreams kept him grounded. He joined the local youth programs, spending weekends cleaning up the neighborhood and playing sports with younger children. His infectious energy inspired others, and slowly, the seeds of change began to sprout in his community. After finishing high school, Kenrick joined the police academy. Each day, he pushed himself to the limits, driven by the desire to improve the lives of those around him. His dedication paid off, and he earned his badge, becoming an officer in his beloved Kingston. With each call he answered, he felt a deep sense of purpose as he protected his community. Years later, as tensions rose in the region, Kenrick made a choice that would lead him to even greater heights. "If I can protect my community, why not defend my country?" he thought. Enlisting in the military, he traded his police uniform for camouflage fatigues, but the essence of his mission remained the same: to serve and protect. In the quiet of the night, as he stood watch in the midst of the Caribbean, he reflected on his journey. From the laughter of children in the streets of Kingston to the accolades of his fellow soldiers, Kenrick Carter had transformed adversity into strength. He was not just a soldier, he was a guardian, embodying his mother's words, that with determination and heart, anything was possible. Under the starlit sky, Kenrick whispered a silent promise to himself, to always protect, to always serve. After all, each dream, like the curls in his hair, could weave a story that shaped the world.